All right, so we just got this POWXS Smart LED Charger. All right, it's compatible for 1 to 8 pack, 1.5 lithium ion, AA or AAA batteries. So let's take a look at it, see what we got. Oh, check it out. So it does come with the USB to regular USB. And I do believe, here it is. So that right there is where you put the batteries. And I think they gave us a couple. Let's take a look at them. Oh, there we go. Look at those. Nice. So we get 8 batteries. And then we just got to plug it in. You don't get a block with it, so you're going to need a block. It does come with this. This is the POWXS. It's a user's manual, so I do recommend reading it. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these batteries, and these are rechargeable AA's, okay, 1.5 volt. So we definitely going to be able to use this, and we'll save some money on batteries. These will be recharging them. We get 8 of them, and if you look here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots. Over here is where you plug in your USB drive to it. It's pretty simple. You just go like this. Then you're going to need a block for this side, and you plug that into the wall. And you could just use your iPhone block. But that's basically it. All right, and we'll just have to try this out and see what we think. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.